Hi, my name is Christel Gómez Velázquez, and I'm going to explain Challenge 11. In here, we have to make a car that follows the line that we put in a circuit. To set the car to do that, we in the code we had to add a library that it's named afmotor.h. If we didn't have that library, we couldn't have set the motors. Now, first we add the library and then we define the sensor 1 and sensor 2 to each pin. In this case, it's 10 and 9. Now we set each motor to motor 2 and motor 1, the place where it's going to be, and it configures them. Now we set two variables to the lecture of sensor 1 and to the lecture of sensor 2. Now, in the setup, we set both of the sensors as inputs. In the void loop, first we order those sensors, write 1 and 2, to read, well, to digital read them. Then we put several ifs. In the first if the sensor 1 sees a white line and the sensor 2 sees a white line, then it will go forward. Another if is that if the sensor 1 sees a black line and the sensor 2 sees a white line, then it will go to the right. Another if is that if the sensor 1 sees a white line and the sensor 2 sees a black line, then it will go to the left. Now, those forward, right, and left actions, we have to make them into void. In each void, we set each one of them. In the void go forward, we set the speeds of motor 1 and motor 2 to 200. Then we order the motor 1 to run forward and the motor 2 to run forward. Now, in the void that indicates to go to the left, we set both speeds of motor 1 and motor 2 as 100. Then we ordered motor 1 to run backward and motor 2 to run forward. So this way, the whole car will turn to the left. Now, in the last void, in the void that indicates to go to the right, we set both speeds of motor 1 and motor 2 to 100. And we order motor 1 to run forward and motor 2 to run backward. So the whole car will turn to the right. And that's everything for the code and the challenge. Thank you.